ሰላም የብሬን አካዳሚ ቤተሰቦች፣ ዛሬ ደግሞ በአዲስ ቪዲዮ ተመልሰናል። ግሬድ 11 ላይ ስታቲስቲክስ ከሚለው ኮንሰፕት which is ግሩፕ ዴታ እናያለን ማለት ነው። Let's proceed to the question. So the question says it's about the following table is the frequency of a group data. Yes, as you know, data are two types. The first one is group and another one is what? Ungrouped data. So this is depend on group data. So the mean of the frequency of table is what? 15. Yes? The given part is our mean is 50. Then what is the frequency of F1 and F2 respectively? Yes, it's a little bit some difficult. Let's go stepwise. It says what? It has a class interval and the frequencies are here. So the class interval is done from 0 to 20 as frequency of 70. And 20 to 30 is what? F1. Okay. There is no frequency, so we are trying to find this one. And 40 to 60 is F2, 60 to 80 is F2. So this is the required one. And 80 to 100 is 90. Then finally, the total of the data is what? 120. 120. So what's mean? Yes? What is the mean? As you know, mean for ungrouped data is what? The sum of the observation, yes. Sum of the observation divided by what? Number of observation, yes. Simply, you can use the interface to sum of the observation divided by if it is ungrouped, if it is grouped, this one is for ungrouped data. If it is grouped, what we are going to do is what? Mean is equal to mean of the given data is equal to what? The class interval average, yes, class interval, simply class interval average times by its frequency divided by what? The given total frequency, yes. Now, we can apply this formula. So, the first thing we are to find is what? Our class interval average. That means, which is MI, yes, which is what? MI times F plus divided by what? Which is FA. So our MI is, let's find our all MIs. Yes, MI value. So MI is just the simply the mean of what? The each individual classes. That means 0 plus 20 divided by 2. So simply 0 plus 20 divided by 2, which is what? 10. Here is 60 divided just 20 plus 14 is 60. So 60 divided by 2. It becomes 13. Here is what? 14 plus 16 is 100. So 100 divided by 2 is 50. Here is 16 plus 18 is what? 114. 114 divided by 2 is 70. So this is 160, yes, because 180 divided by 100, which is 90. So 180 divided by 2 is, which is 9. So we are going to just bring up both of these things. Now, the mean is given, yes? Mean adjustable, the mean is 50. Yes, the mean is 50. So, 50 is equal to, yes, 50 is equal to what? MR times F of what? The class interval, the frequency of that class. So, let's see, 100, just 10 times 17. Yes, 10 times 17 plus, here is what? 13 times F1, there is no such F1. So, 13 times what? F1 plus 32 times what? 15. 32 times 15 plus F2 times what? 17. F2 times 17. F2 times 17 plus, yes, plus finally, we are about what? 90 times 90. Yes, 90 times 90. 90 times 90. Divided by what? FA or the F total. So our F total is what? 120. Yes, no need of such add because we have no F1 and F2. So if we have just if you have both F1 and F2, we are simply what? Add and we are going to get this value. This value is already given. So no need of us adding. So which is 120 is the value. Now let's solve this one. 15 is equal to, this is 170 plus this is 30F1 plus this one is almost 32 by 5 becomes 10, yes. We have one which is 15, 16, yes. So we have 1,600 plus this one is 70F2 plus this one is this multiply this one 19 by 9, yes, because 9 by 9 is 81. We have 8. This one is 9, so plus 8 70. So we have 1710. Yes, divided by 120. Now let's make pre-cross. Yes, let's make pre-cross. But before pre-cross, this one. Yes, that means 100. Just 100 plus 1,000 or 1,000 is 600 plus 170. This all is up. This 7. This 1. This this one. 1,710. 1,710. Then this is 0. This is 8. This is 14. We have 1, 2. We have 2. Yes. So 3,480. Yes. 3,480. So 50 is equal to what? 3,480 plus, there you go, 30F1. 30F1 plus 70F2 divided by 120. Now this can be. So from here, now let's multiply 3 cross here. So let's see, we have gain what? 3,480 plus 13F1 plus 70F2, yes guys, is equal to what? 50 times 120 is around what? 600, yes? 600. Now we are getting 313F1 plus 70F2 is equal to what? 600, so it's all minus, when you shift to the left side, this one, you are getting what? Negative, so this is 480, yes. So 330F1 plus 70F2 is equal to what? After we are subtracting, we are getting 2,520, yes? 20. So now let's eliminate zeros. Yes, so 3F1 plus just 7F2. 7F2 is equal to what? 252. This is, guys, equation 1. Yes, equation 1. This is equation 1. Now we are going to find, now from the previous table, we have what? Yeah. So from the table, the frequencies are the first frequency is 70 plus. So after 70 we have what? F1 plus 50, 32 plus F2 plus 19. Yes, is equal to what? 120. Yes, because the total volume is what? 120. So 70 plus let's add 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 17 is 18. Yes, so we have 1. So 2, which is what? 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 68. Yes, 68 plus F1 plus F2 is equal to what? 120. Yes, 120. Now F1 plus F2 is equal to what? 120 minus 68. Yes, minus 68. So F1 plus F2 is around what? 120 minus 68, 52. Yes, 52. So we are getting this one. So after making this one, guys, now you are going to find these values by using substitution or elimination or what? Tailwind. Now let's have substitution. And not substitution is elimination, which is the first method, yes? Elimination. So now let's write the two equations. Yes, this one is equation 2. this is equation for let's transpose. So the first we got 3f1 plus 7f2, 252. And the second one is f1 plus f2, which is equal to 550. So now this I'm going to multiply just in eliminate f2. Let's multiply by negative 3 is equal to eliminate f because they are what? If this one is positive sign, this is negative, they are eliminate each other. So f1 plus 7f2 is equal to 252. Let's multiply it. Negative 3f1 plus, minus 3f2 is equal to what? This one by 3 is around 156 what? Negative because which is 6. We have 50, yes, 156. Now let me add. Yes, let's add. This becomes 0. This one is 7 minus 3 is 4. For f2, this one is equal to what? From 12, we have 6. So 6, this one is what? Which is 24. So from 24, we have 9. So 96 divided by 4, divided by 4. So f2 becomes what? By 2. This one is around just 24, yes. 24 by just 24. But still we are not finished. We didn't finish this one. So let's substitute here. F1 plus F2 is equal to 15. So but we are needing what? F2. So F1 is equal to what? F2, 52 minus F. So 52 minus of 24. Yes, 52 minus of 24 is around what? So 52, we have 24 times 24, 8. So this one is 4. So which is what? 28. Now this move on our choices. 27 and 25 notes. So which one? 28 and 24 says what? Respectively F1 and F2 respectively. Respectively means don't forget that. So respectively means 28 and 24 are F1 and F2. So this is how you can do this mean type of question. So you have to practice more. Yes, to do this type of question, you have to practice more. So you have to minimize or manage your time. So this is all about this question. If you have any unclear points, just you have to leave on the comment section. Please encourage us to do more, and thank you for your time.